right, learners, today we're going to work on some writing. So grab paper and pencil or a whiteboard and a marker. Carl the crab has lost his shells. Let's help him find them. The first thing we want to do is think. What can we write about? You can write about anything. You can write about things you like, places you go, pets, food, your friends, family, your hobbies, your favorite sport, school, movies, TV shows, your favorite characters, the weather. You can write about how you feel. Let's brainstorm. Go ahead and choose your topic. What would you like to write about today? Do you know what you're going to write about? Excellent. Here's a shell. How many words will be in your sentence? So think about what sentence you want to write, and let's count the words. All right, I have my sentence. My sentence is going to be I have a cat. So I have a cat. My sentence is going to have 4 words. So go ahead, say your sentence out loud, count the words, and write a line for each word. All right, let's continue. You've earned another shell. All right, so here's what we're going to do next. We're going to write a line for each word that we're going to use. All right, so I have a cat. All right, so my first word is going to be I. Whenever I make I and I'm talking about myself, that's going to be an uppercase I. And we want to make sure we have spaces between each of our words. I, my next word is have. Have. That starts with H, like hat. Have. So I only need my first word to start with an uppercase letter. The rest can start with lowercase letters. I have a, just the letter A, cat. Cat starts with C. At. And I want to end every sentence with a punctuation mark. This is a telling sentence, so it's going to end with a period. All right, go ahead and work on your sentence. Get as many sounds in as you can hear. Use the letter chart. You can pause the video while you work. Did you space out your words? Do you have at least a letter for each word? Did you start with a capital letter and end with a punctuation mark? All right, you've earned another shell. Now you're going to draw a picture to match your sentence and label it. So you can pause the video to draw your picture, whatever you wrote about. Draw a picture to match and write a word beside your picture. All right, you have your 4 shells.